Hi guys, Rick here, helping you to master your technology. This video is about the unboxing of Oppo's new F9. So, let's get started.
Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Just like other Oppo phones, the F9 comes with a white box with a photo of the phone itself on the front. The first thing you see when opening the box is the unit itself. Underneath it, you have a packet containing documentation, a SIM ejector pin, and a clear jelly case. Underneath it, you have micro USB cable, a pair of earphones, and a quick charger. Let's first start with the design and build. The Oppo F9 feels exactly the same in the hands with the F7. But on paper, the F9 is a tad bit heavier at 169 gram, while the F7 is only 158 gram. However, I really like what Oppo did with the notch. It is now much smaller, which gives you more screen estate for watching videos and playing games. The Oppo F9 is very reminiscent of the F7 in terms of overall aesthetic, but has some unique characteristics to boot. At the front of the device is a 6.3-inch display that has a smaller notch at the top, which houses the 25 megapixel selfie camera. The call speaker grill is located above it, neatly tucked at the gap between the display and the side frame. The F9 still uses in-display capacitive keys, and can be replaced with gesture-type movements should you feel swiping in and out of different apps. The Oppo F9's design is also a big improvement, especially the design accents at the back. The petal-like pattern provides a unique character to the device. Plus, the gradient color tone makes it look really modern. The device is available in Sunrise Red, which has this pink and violet color gradient. The volume keys and the triple card, dual SIM plus micro SD slot is at the left, while the power and lock button sits at the right. The sides are more rounded for a better hand grip. At the bottom are the loudspeakers, the micro USB port, the microphone, and the 3.5mm audio jack. A noise cancelling mic is situated at the opposite side. When we look at its back, we see the dual rear cameras surrounded with chrome accent and the dual LED flash, along with the fingerprint scanner and the Oppo logo in the middle. The actual camera module is protruded and can be prone to scratches when laid on a flat surface, but a jelly case can alleviate that concern. Moving on, the Oppo F9's biggest improvement over the F7 is its fast charging capability. According to Oppo, a 5-minute charge can provide 2 hours of talk time. We weren't able to test it out just yet, but we've been impressed by the quick charging of the Find X, which has the same technology. We did try plugging it in for 5 minutes, and the device easily gained 9% of charge. That might look like a small number, but that's already a huge gain for such a small time. We still have to extensively test how the Oppo F9 holds up in real-world usage. With that, expect to see the full gaming experience, benchmarks, battery performance, and more in our full review. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.